Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how to solve core policy error. So first of all, we will learn what is this core policy error. Second, why this error is coming. And last, how to solve this error. So first of all, let's understand what is core policy error. So CORS stands for Cross Origin Resource Sharing. It is not a front-end error or back-end error. It is just a back-end security or a browser security feature, which is also called as browser rule to allow or to access that front-end by server. So let us understand simply. A server can allow front-end when it's allowed in the back-end server. Means a server can have fixed URLs when company added that URL. Let's suppose www.google.com. It is our front-end URL. So when we create backend, then backend must be private. So no one can be accessed that all APIs globally. So for particular front ends, that APIs are allowed. So when we need to allow APIs for google.com, then simply we need to add that google.com to backend server. So let's understand how to solve this error now. So we little understand about core policy. So core policy is a backend security or browser security feature, and it's control our HTTP request from frontend to backend. So backend must be allow that frontend URL, then frontend can access that feature. So first we learn, then let's go to backend folder now. So our backend is running properly, and also frontend is running. So let's check frontend. Okay, so it's saying backend says failed to fetch backend. Let's go to console and check. Here we go. We will access fetch by this API will block for this API. Means backend API is localhost 3000/API, which is origin, and localhost 5173 is blocked by core policy. So how to solve this core policy error? And this is most common issue for beginner or backend frontend developers. So let's solve this issue by importing. So first, let's go to backend and install dependency npm and CORS. Okay, after that, so as you can see, properly showing error, that is core policy error. So to solve this, go to, now we have installed CORS. After that, importing CORS, import CORS from CORS. Okay, after core importing, then we'll add that as a app.use CORS. So this will allow to use backend. Okay, now you will understand what is error, cannot get. Okay, so run the backend npm and dev. After that, let's check, refresh, and as you can see, our issue will be solved. That is backend is running properly and showing hello world. So now let's understand some little. So backend is running, and also core policy error is solved, but one more thing is come into the picture, that is now this backend server will have to use more than 2 websites or 2 frontends. Then how to solve this? App.use CORS will be allowed for one website, then we can use like that, a dot use CORS, or inside that as like that we can use just like that 5173 and slash. So this code or this core logic will also allow to this front-end URL, that is our front-end URL. And also then if we have more than one front-end URL, then just like that we can add more URLs for this backend. And if this not working properly, then one more solution is that we can use just like that, just simply add star. This means allow all websites or all frontends for this backend feature. So by adding origin star, all frontend means all type of frontends which have this API, then it will have access to use this feature. So simply star is best and common practice when we have like open source contribution on something, and if your backend have sensitive information, then we can use our URL just like that, or instead of this a particular domain also use like www.google.com and something like that. So hope you understand about core policy error. And if you want to learn about more conceptual things, then let me know in the comment section. And also if you want to see more full stack development or full apps development in one day or in 1 hour like that, then also let me know in the comment section. I will be back with more videos, and thank you for supporting, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much.